Hello everyone, welcome to Innovative Priya. It's all about art. So today we are making this lamppost painting and we are going to give a blooming effect. For the blooming effect, I have made a white color circle in the top part of my sheet, and then I am doing light blue all around it. As I go beyond the circle, I am using darker color. So you can see first I used white color circle, then light blue or sky blue circle, and then slowly I am adding darker shade of it. So this is how we get a blooming effect, and then cover rest of the sheet using the dark shade of the blue. Now my whole sheet is covered with dark blue color, and once it is dry, just use a scale and Sharpie to make the lamppost stand. So in order to thicken the pole, just do it 3-4 times, and then you get a very nice thick pole. At the top of the pole, just make a triangle, a small triangle, and then for the lamppost hanging part, make another line like this, and just make sure that this line is right above the white circle you made at the beginning. Now comes the part of making the lamp, and it's very simple. We are making a triangular lamp. As you can see, I made a big line, and then below it I'm going to make a smaller line, and then I'm just going to attach them like this. Here I am trying to give a little design at the intersection part of the pole, and just make few spirals like this, and this is it. It's looking nice. In order to show that the light inside the lamppost is glowing, I am doing yellow color inside it, and look how nice the effect is. And at the end, I am giving some snowfall effect by using the tip of the brush on the back side. Now just add some shadow of bushes using black color at the bottom of the painting, and this is it. It's ready.